Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get speedups in Rise of Kingdoms. In Rise of Kingdoms, speedups are essential for accelerating building, research, and troop training, and there are several reliable ways to collect them. Early in the game, completing in-game activities and daily quests is one of these easiest methods, as these often reward speedups for finishing tasks or milestones. Limited time events also provide generous speedup rewards, so it's worth checking the events tab regularly. The in-game shop offers additional speed-ups through bundles, purchases, and the VIP system, which grants extra bonuses as you level up your VIP status. Alliance shops are another source. Once the leader restocks, members can exchange Alliance credits for speed-ups. Expeditions and battle rewards may also include speed-ups, and opening gold, silver, or other reward chests earned from quests can yield them too. By exploring these multiple resources or sources, and actively participating in events, you can steadily build a stockpile of speedups to enhance your progress across the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.